Hey guys, what's up mga ninja? Welcome back to my channel. Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na yan. And please, click the bell button beside the subscribe button para ma-notify ka every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong video. Another PS4 exclusive game. Alam mo yung una natin nilarong PS4 exclusive? Alam mo yung Spider-Man. Then next itong Horizon Zero Dawn. Then hopefully, yung Days Gone. Kaya lang, wala pa eh. Pero for the meantime, matagal na tong game na to pero sobrang ganda daw ng game na to at sobrang ganda ng graphics. So, ito yung pangalawa sa most requested dun sa mga ginagawa kong survey. Horizon Zero Dawn. Then susunod yung Uncharted. Huwag kayong mag-alala. So tuloy din natin Uncharted, NBA, Horizon, lahat yan. This is the gameplay of Horizon Zero Dawn. Let's go! Ayan, nandito tayo sa home screen ng Horizon. Tinry ko na ito laruin. Kung nakita nyo, nag-live ako pero dinilit ko din. Pero new game tayo. Para masaya. Parang pelikula to eh. Wow! Aloy? Aloy? Kaloy? Sali pala ako dito eh. My God! Oh, yung bida dito ay si Aloy. Ang naglalaro ay si Kaloy.
You're quite the gatherer, aren't you, little lost? Now go and see if you can find some more, hmm?
Di siya cute. Joke lang, cute din. Aloy?
Well done, that's a good boy. Children, come with
What?
me.
Parang siyang outcast.
She's an outcast.
Ayun nga.
To be shunned.
Amazing. Outcast? Bakit kaya? Dahil maikli lang yung bangs niya. Siya lang naggupit yan eh.
Come on.
Yun yung bakit ng buhok eh. Kasama nyo. Parang si Mahal. Patay na agad si Aloy. Hindi pala siya yung bida. Patay na siya. Ayan na. Oily lang. Oily lang ng konti. Parang ako lang. Oily. So, bata ang bida? Frost. Who the hell is Frost?
Frost! He won't hear me. Some kind of cave?
Hoy! Ako na! Wow, ang ganda oh. Parang nasa Palawan lang oh. Ganda ng graphics. Pagka talaga PS4 exclusive yung game, the best. PS4 exclusive din yata yung Uncharted. Oo yata. Di ko alam ah. Di ko sure ah.
Looks tight, but I can get through.
Crouch.
This must be a ruin of the metal world. One of the old places.
Metal world. Wee! 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 Aray! Wala siyang buhay. Wala sa lang. Pupunta wala pa tayo mapa. Yan.
Ross said never go in places like this.
Who the hell is Ross?
I have to find a way out.
Uy, may mga lumang bagay. Uy, ano yun? Ano yun? Uy! Hi! Pero bawal. May ikutan ba dyan? Hindi ko alam kung sila ka pupunta. Suspense to ah. Konti na. Uy! Nanginginig ang aking controller. Milindol?
There's something up ahead. What's that?
Ruby!
Dead person.
Dead person?
There's
Look.
something shiny.
Ew! Inspect strange device. Meron siyang paperclip. Nabulok siya pero yung gamit niya hindi. Hairpin pala, hairpin. Wala naman siyang buhok. Ah, bagay ah. Ano yun? Ah, sort of Geiger counter. Ano yan? Dragon Ball yan na to eh. Makikita mo yung lakas ng kalaban mo. Oh, diba? Wow. Hologram. Amazing. Nice one. Very nice.
Lights
Whoa.
everywhere.
Amazing. Very
How
nice.
does it do
Wow, yung galing! Yun, nakakontrol ko siya. Ano to? Ano gagawin natin? Uy, nawala. Punta tayo dun.
A metal door. Closed. Maybe this device I found can help.
Alam ko! Pa-obvious ka din, ano? Pero paano ba?
How do I get it open?
Ayan. Paano ba? R3. Hololights. Reinforced platinum conductor.
A shape. It's connected to the door somehow.
Adiras tayo. Dun pala eh. Whippy! 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 Oh. Yun nga yun eh. Oh, ang gagawin. Ano ba yan? Ayan.
It changed color.
Iikot lang pala yun. Dali, dali. Uy! Nagbukas. Easy. Easy. Uy, may daga. Paano ba tirahin?
The door changed color too.
Open the door. Ah, Violet World. Grabe, ang ganda ng graphics itong game na to. Kita nyo, oh. O, diba? Hindi nyo siya makita. Pati pagpa-focus ng character sa environment. Maganda. Pagdating din sa controls, parang same lang din sa iba. Then, meron siyang ganitong amazing na device na parang ano niya, pang-hack niya. Dahil nakuha niya lang doon sa bangkay. Holy sh! What's that? Hi! A grip from the past. Wala, a way out, a way out, a way out, a way out, a way out. What's that?
It's got a device. Like the one I found.
Kunin mo din. Uy!
You think I want it this way? It's the best I can do. He's
Oh.
right behind you. Hi! Happy birthday, Isaac. Daddy sure does love his little big man. Look, Daddy can't be there with you and Mom, but we can still have a party, right? Sure we can.
Maganda namang pang-vlog niyan, no?
Show me. Show me again.
Tekken 2. He's right behind you. Hi.
Ay, panulit.
Happy birthday,
Para sa
Isaac.
may ano,
Daddy
Down
sure
syndrome.
does love his little big man. Look, Daddy can't be there with you and Mom, but we can still have a party, right? Sure we can.
Happy birthday, Isaac. Daddy sure does love his little big man.
Oh, sino si Isaac? Isaac. Ano ko lalabas? Game, tara. Parang si Mahal naman nung karakter ko. Ang liit-liit. Pero nandun sa ano niya, ito oh. Sa bala niya is chicks. Chicks na babae. Baka siya to. Si Aloy. Tsaka si Kayloy. Paano to? Paano to? Oh, dito daw. Dito daw. Dito na ko dyan. Wari! Ara! Nadapa! Sorry! Diba? Amazing. Naruto yan, oh. Sarado eh. Pero kagandahan ng ba't may ganyang skill talaga lahat ng ano eh, sa laro. Pag kasya ka, hindi yung pag naka-program, hindi ka na pwedeng pumasok. Saan na tayo? Oh! Ano yan? Oh!
I saw them lining up in the community room. Like cattle in a slaughterhouse, but smiling at each other. Shauna handing out meds like
Galing naman nung ano niya, gadget niya. Ano kayong tawag dun?
pain to be eased. Well, not me. I don't want to go quiet. I don't want to trail off. I want a period at the end of my life sentence, not an ellipses. Hell, an exclamation mark. So if that upsets whoever finds this, too bad.
Oh.
I don't know anyone, anything anymore.
Saan na tayo? Hindi pa rin tayo nakakalabas, mga ninja. Kahit meron na tayong guide. Whoop, whoop, saber-tooth tiger. Saan na? Mas bilis to eh.
Why did they die here? What happened to them?
Nasaan ang daan? Dito. Oh, yun, Aloy daw. Bakit? Andito ko.
He found me. Ross found me. Down here.
Yan.
Mother me nourished.
Siya si Aloy? Ay, si Ross?
Take my hand.
Forma naman niya.
You don't belong down there. Come. Such places are forbidden, Aloy.
I found them.
Okay,
They are of the
pakinggan
metal
ng pangalan niya kasi parang Kayloy.
What is that on your face?
Ah, wala to.
Did you find it down there?
Wala. Malabo.
Give it to me.
No.
No.
Aloy, such things are dangerous.
No!
Tigas ulo ng batang to. Bigay mo! Forma niya undercut. At ayusin mo rin yung buhok nito. Siya na nagugupit ng bangs niya, oh.
If you're gonna go sneaking away from home, you'll need to know how to survive in the wild. Come, Aloy. Home now. But starting
Tatay
tomorrow,
niya yan?
you will learn to hunt.
Ba't ang tawag niya? Rost. Uy, pana. Gusto ko yung mga game na may pana eh. Sinong gusto ng Tomb Raider? Favorite ko yun sa PC. Kaya lang, itong PC ko na to, lock mo na eh.
All these shaking. What do they mean?
Nababaliw na siya. Nakakabaliw pala yung
Take your bow.
Stick na lalaman niya. Bow. Wow!
And enough muttering to that plaything. We descend to the valley now.
Steve.
Follow.
Kailan pa ba itong game na to?
The wilds
2016,
can be dangerous,
2015.
Aloy.
Ganda eh.
Just stay close and do as I say.
Pero mas naunang pa yata dito yung
I
Uncharted.
know.
Pero parang mas maganda
Now,
yung graphics
you're
ng
still scratched up from
Uncharted.
that fall you took yesterday. So let's
Same
start
lang.
there. Take this medicine pouch. I'll show you how to fill it.
Uy, pats.
See this?
Uy, ako na ulit!
It's called salve brush. Come, gather its berries in your
Anong
pouch.
tawag? Alam din yung pangalan. Rost.
Aloy, come now. Gather the berries.
Gather. Gather, gather.
I told you.
Yan
Gather the
na!
berries.
Sungit mo naman
Good.
eh.
Now eat the berries.
Eat! Eat!
They may taste bitter, but they can save your life. Always keep your pouch full of medicinal berries, flowers, and plants.
Okay, copy.
Where are we?
This valley is just a part
Taas
of
na ito ng
All Mother's
bahay
embrace.
natin.
Embrace.
The Nora tribe watches these lands and keeps out the most dangerous machines.
Ang bagal mo maglakad, Itay. Yan, o diba? Amazing. May ganun pala lakad eh. Nagahan kami pero ang bagal namin maglakad. Saan yung pana ko?
Further downriver, we'll find a herd of machines, and I will teach you how to hunt.
Are they dangerous?
All machines are dangerous, Aloy. Their power
Machines?
must be respected.
So kalaban
I will
namin
be
dito
beside
machine. So parang ganun, parang mga Zoids. Bagal mo, Itay. Bagal mo, Itay.
Aloy, a machine's coming.
Huh?
Crouch and follow me into the tall grass.
What? Kasi yung machine.
There. Now stay low.
Little one.
No, Aloy. Such machines are called watchers. You must learn to avoid their gaze. If you are to survive in the wilds, I will show you. Listen close and do as I do. Stay still. Wait for it to pass. Now keep low and follow me across the trail to that tall grass.
Ano daw?
Oh, another one. Let it pass.
Kung mga watcher yan, bobo niyan. Nagtago lang sa damo, hindi na nakita. Ano ba yan? Ay, oh. Kumakaluskus ako. Hindi mo ko nakita, hindi mo ko nakita. Nakapalo.
Come, back this way. The slower you move, the quieter you'll be. And crouched walking is quieter than
Uy!
upright.
Nakikita ko.
Wait for it.
Ano yan? Susundan ko ba ito? Asan ba siya? Asan ka na, Itay? Ayun na, layo na. Ay hindi, yung halimaw yun eh. Bakit may path? Bumalik ha? Ano ba yan? Diyan ka pala, tamatay ka ba? Pero magpakita, pwede naman tumayo eh. Hindi naman sila nangangagat. Kasi wala yata silang ipin, puro mata lang. O ayan o.
That's the last of them. Let's move on.
Nasaan na? Ano bang pinagagagawa ko? Oh, nakikita ko yung mga ano nila. Oh, umiihi ka dyan, Itay? Grabe ka naman.
You did well. They didn't see or hear you. Now stay close. That herd should be just ahead.
Para naman kaganda nung ginawa, nagtago lang naman. Yippee! 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 Baliw. Uy, yung may unggoy.
Who's that?